welcome back to Natural Music. Today we will be starting the song Heaven's Jubilee. It's an old hymn, definitely an old gospel song that's been sung a lot. So you should have just heard the kind of the intro and the demo of it, a little bit of it. And so you grab the style in which we're going to do this, and let's just dive in on how we're going to accomplish this on the piano. So there's this reoccurring lick that happens over a certain chord progression. So the chord progression, we're in the key of G, and we're going to go G, and then an F to a C with the E in the left hand. And you don't have to grab what I'm doing right there because we're going to play different licks, and we're going to hit those chords in a certain way. But I wanted you to know what you were playing over. It's just, it would be like if you were just playing rhythm, you'd go F, C with an E, and then again, G, F, and a C with an E down there. So we're going to play over those chords. You can see that on your chord chart there. Follow along with those. Let's talk about the opening lick. So the right hand's going to go, all right? So we're going to start with an A and a D, and we're just going to play this opening lick, and then we're going to hit that first G at the beginning of the rhythm part of this intro. So an A and a D, and then we're going to and kind of correct to a B from that A. See how we're doing that? And then we're going back down to the A. All right? And then in our thumb, we're going to go G. So we got. All right? So we're going to keep that D held down while we do this. The A, B, back to A. But we're going to the first A and D, we're just going to hit. And then we're going to go back to A. You see how we did that and kept the D down the whole time? And I'm doing some bad form in my right hand, but I just want you to be able to see that. You don't want to tuck your fingers away like that. You can keep them out here. But I'm just doing that so you can see. So here we go. And then we're going to G in the thumb. So when we hit that G, you can let up on that D up there. All right. And then we're going to go E and then D. And then while holding that D down, we're going to do that G so it plays together. All right. So after we hit the D, keep it held down and hit the G. So real slow. All right, one more time, slow. All right, and when we hit that G up there, our left hand is gonna hit this real low, kind of maybe tough bass octave G. See how we're doing that? So G to G, or just a low note G if you can't reach that octave. But for most of you, I feel like you can. So see how we did that? And when we do that, our left hand is going to, we're going to, kind of sustain that with the pedal down there. And then we're going to come up and play it's actually the 5 and the 1 of the G chord. Here's a G chord, G, B, and D. We took this D and put it down there, but I'm going to leave the B off there. It gets kind of low, and it's just going to give it kind of a clean sound. 1, 2, and we're going to go 1, and then hit this 3 times. So it's going to go. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So this is 1, then hurry up and grab 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So real slow. All right, so up to speed, it sounds like this. Oop, don't hit all those notes like I just did. All right. So while we hold down that last, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. While we're holding down this D and this G right here, we're going to go in our right hand. We're going to go D, E, G, real quick like. And then we're going to hit an F chord with an F octave in our left hand. All right, and that is just an F octave down here. Then we're going to do this F, C, F, and A. Taking this C, putting it down here. All right, still an F chord. So that way we can just go down and we hit an octave E, because we're gonna play an E in our left hand and a C up here in the right hand. And so since we're right there, all we gotta do is move our middle finger and our pinky down to this regular old C, C, E, and G. All right? So real slow so far we got. Ooh, let me do that again. All right? And then we're just gonna repeat it again while holding that down. And then we'll just go. All right, so 2 times in a row. The same thing we just did from the beginning, just. And while you're holding that E in the left hand is when you'll play that lick over here until you hit that G again. So what I'm referring to is in between those two, like this. So here's one. Sustained, and then do it again. All right. So the last one of the D and the G we're sustaining, and then that C and the E we're sustaining this. So that way it doesn't just stop. If we stopped, it would go. That doesn't sound real bad, but it's just better to have some mid-range, especially if you're by yourself. And like I'm playing with a band and a track on this. But for a lot of you, you're playing by yourselves, and so you need this to stay full completely. So. And then at the end, we're going to go. All right, so that same lick that we played up here, we're going to do that down here an octave lower. So A and D, and we're going to go. And instead of hitting this G right there, we're gonna go, and we're gonna jump up, or I'm sorry, in our left hand, it's gonna be like we go. But instead of doing that in our right hand, we're gonna play an octave G in our left hand, because that hits that note and then also gives us the power of the octave right there. So we go da 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 da. So we still add that harmony note, we're going da, 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 da. And then that gives us time to get our right hand back up here and start the verse. So we go. So it's when with all the heavenly hosts we begin to sing, or whichever verse you're doing. Okay, so that is basically the whole intro. So it just has that reoccurring da 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 over and over, and then we play over G, F, and then C with the E down here. So here it is, nice and slow, the whole thing. So. Okay, so that is it for the intro and interludes and outro, really. You can play that on the way out. And the sky. You know, just, you gotta do it. You gotta do it right, though. I didn't do it. And we may talk about the outro in one of the other videos on kind of how to end it. But for the most part, that is the intro and the interludes and the outro over those chord structures. So that's it for this lesson. We'll see you at the next lesson where we start the verse of the song Heaven's Jubilee in the key of G in the 4/4 time. Thank you so much for watching.